Most traders only look at candlesticks individually, but the real secret is, when we merge them, a completely new story appears on the chart. Have you ever wondered, if we combine two candles, what candle will it form? And if we merge three candles, then, on a longer time frame, what kind of candlestick will appear? Does the same candle show up when we change the time frame? In today's video, we will understand this entire concept step by step. Now, why is this important? Because once you understand candlestick merging, you can avoid getting trapped by fake-out candles. Sometimes 2 or 3 small candles may confuse you, but when merged, they reveal the real story behind price action. It also shows you who is actually in control, buyers or sellers, by displaying the net pressure of multiple candles. And most importantly, merging is like a shortcut to see the higher time frame picture without switching charts again and again. So if you want to read charts with more clarity, filter out false signals, and truly understand market pressure, this lesson is for you. All right, let's start the video. Now, let's take a simple example. In front of you, we have 2 candles, each of 15 minutes. The question is, how can we merge these 2 candles into one? It's actually very simple if you follow the steps. First, mark the open of the first candle. Then, mark the close of the second candle. For the wicks, the process is very simple. First, look at the high of the first candle, and also check the high of the second candle. Now, whichever is higher among the two, that will become the high of the merged candle. In the same way, look at the low of the first candle and the low of the second candle. Whichever is lower among the two, that will become the low of the merged candle. So basically, the merged candle will always cover the full range, from the highest point touched by these candles to the lowest point. That's it. The body and wicks of your merged candle are ready. Let's verify this on a live market chart. Right now, the chart's on the 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see the 2 candles we just discussed. Now, if I switch the time frame to 30 minutes, notice what happens. The 30-minute candle that appears looks exactly the same as the one we just created by marking those levels. This is the beauty of candlestick merging. It shows you how higher time frame candles are naturally formed from smaller time frame candles. Now let's merge 3 candles together. Look carefully. Whenever you want to merge multiple candles, the first step is always marking. So first, mark the open of the very first candle. Next, mark the close of the very last candle. This will give you the body of the merged candle. Now for the wicks. Check all the candles one by one. From these 3 candles, mark the highest point among all highs. Then, mark the lowest point among all lows. Once you have marked these 4 levels, open from the first candle, close from the last candle, the highest high, and the lowest low. Your merged candle is ready. This is the exact way a higher time frame candle is formed naturally from smaller time frame candles. Now let's try this out directly on the live chart. We are currently looking at the 5-minute time frame. And right here you can spot 3 candles forming side by side. Now let's switch over to the 15-minute time frame and compare. Notice how the single 15-minute candle that appears is identical to the one we just created by merging those 3 5-minute candles. That's exactly how higher time frame candles are built step by step from multiple smaller candles. And once you master candlestick merging, your chart reading will become much clearer, your decisions faster, and your confidence much stronger. You'll clearly see how a single higher time frame candle is naturally formed without the need to constantly switch time frames. At the same time, this technique reveals the real market pressure, showing you whether buyers or sellers are in control. If this video gave you a new perspective on the market, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Time to Grow for more trading lessons. I'll see you in the next one.